Come enjoy the quiet serenity from this carefree environment in the lovely gated Merritt community. This well-maintained condo features a foyer entry, 2 master suites, dining area, updated kitchen west/stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar, separate pantry, laundry closet, and a screened-in porch west/storage closet. 1 master suite and dining area both lead to the charming, spacious screened porch west/a superior view. The attractive living room has built-ins that are functional as well as beautiful, along with a comfy fireplace. Flooring consists of a deluxe engineered hardwood, tile, and carpeted bedrooms. This desirable condo includes many items through its water, sewer, trash, pest and termite control, flood insurance, pool, hot tubs, clubhouse, dog area, car wash station, and a fitness room. Conveniently located to schools, marinas, boat ramp, shopping.